Let's talk about the biggest window in the room, right? My Dell Vostro, the editing PC. With an Intel i7 core and an MX330, this isn't the best PC you can ever get, or laptop in that sense. I mean, can we? Can it be? Let's take a look, shall we? So, this laptop is razor thin. Not that thin, but it's thin. Okay? And the build quality is not the best, neither the worst. Okay? So, it does do the job for its price tag. We'll come back on the price tag later. Okay? So, I use this laptop every single day for like around 2 years now, almost 2 years, not exactly 2 years. And I make content on this, edit videos, and even play games, example like Valorant. Okay, but what's the biggest issue, and why am I addressing this as the biggest elephant in the room? Heat flow. The worst of the worst. This is the worst laptop I've seen, with the heat flow so small that I'm trying to think, what's wrong with this? Okay, I used to use Blender on this laptop back when I first got it, and it wasn't the best, if I say so myself. Okay, in 1 year of time, it broke 2 times the motherboard, and it has a stand too. So, for crying out loud, that's one of the worst thing you can do with a laptop, unless you have another screen and a bunch of other stuff. If you're dedicated to editing and you have money, that's your plan. Okay, but well, at the last, this is the only laptop I use. Okay, and the most suitable laptop I can use for the time being. Obviously, I'm gonna upgrade it sooner or here, depending on the time. And also, this video is edited on this laptop. Well, should you buy this laptop? Wait, let me check the price, shall we?
2,000 years later.
The laptop above just costs. Wait, there's no price. Dell had removed this laptop from its own webpage. Just look at that. They removed the laptop from the webpage, and there's no way this laptop exists. Okay, and if I'm telling a lie, here are the specs. Okay, this is a spec sheet from the laptop itself, and it's an i7 11th gen processor and an NVIDIA GeForce MX330. Looks like you can't buy this piece laptop, and I mean, check the air vents and stay techie.